Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to change the voice of your Siri on your iPhone. So firstly, open the Settings app, then scroll down until you find Siri and search. Now you will find the language menu, but we're not going to change that, we're going to change the Siri voice. So there are a few varieties of Siri voices that match with the language that you've picked. For example, American accent, Australian accent. And when you pick these varieties, you can even choose the voices. For example, a male voice or a female voice. So I'm going to show you several varieties as well as the voices of Siri that you can choose from.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice.
Choose the. Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
So now, once you've picked your variety as well as your voice, just talk into your Siri and it will be set accordingly.
It's currently partly cloudy and 24 degrees.
As you just heard, I've set my Siri voice to an Australian girl, but if I switched it to an American man, for example,
Choose the voice
and
you'd like me
talk
to use.
into my Siri again, it will be changed accordingly.
It's currently partly cloudy and 24 degrees.
So that is how you change your Siri voice on your iPhone. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And leave any of your questions in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them. Thanks for watching. Bye!